In this video today, we're going to be talking about affiliate API keys. Now, API keys enable two systems to communicate with each other across a network. So let's have a look at how this works for affiliates. API keys on the platform are located just here under your username on this small drop-down menu. As you can see, we have one API key in here already. Now, just to give you a bit of context, affiliate API keys enable affiliates to communicate with your white label and in turn deliver the leads that you will then feed through to your advertisers or brands. So let's say, for example, that you have 4 brands or advertisers on your network that are looking for leads from specific countries or vertical markets even. Then, through the offers that you create for those advertisers, you're able to manage an affiliate's access to that advertiser or brand's offer through the API, and in turn, the leads or traffic that they deliver to your advertisers. Okay, let's jump in and have a look at some of the features. Let's click Add API Key here, and you will see we get this pop-up. First up, we can search for the specific affiliate here. Next, we have the hourly cap limit. This is for the amount of API requests an affiliate can make on the system every hour. This is not restricted just to one thing though, but could be sending a lead, checking deposits, or any other API request. We have comments prefix. Now your affiliates may wish to include some comments on a lead or an offer to send to the advertiser through the API, which will help the advertiser to convert on those leads. This feature allows you to add some form of prefix of your own kind of comment that will also go to the advertiser but will not be seen by the affiliate. Now we have these checkboxes. The first one is fairly self-explanatory and lets the affiliate show any errors. Next, we have an option to overwrite the offer name. Now, we include the offer name in all details sent to the advertiser, but this option selected, the affiliate is able to modify the offer name to send to the advertiser, which, as mentioned earlier, could help with conversions. Next, we have the option to also overwrite the domain name of where the traffic is coming from. Then we have the Get All Deposits option, which allows the affiliate to retrieve all of the deposit history of customers via the API, as opposed to just the latest one. And finally, we have an option to select whether the API key is active or not. Okay, let's close this and have a look at some of the tabs under Actions here. First, we have the offer that's associated with this API. You can add an offer just by clicking the Add Offer button here and searching for the offer in the pop-up. Next, we have Display Whitelist User IPs. Now, this is very important because if an IP is not whitelisted and added to the system, no API requests can actually be made. So to whitelist an IP, we just hit this button here and add the IP address. If you click this icon here, you can see the API log, which will give you a breakdown of all of the API requests and responses made via this key. You can review the requests by clicking View here. And you can also review the responses by clicking View here. We've also got a full API overview document that's available on request, and it covers all of the features for integration that you will ever need. Okay, so we hope this video has been of some help to you, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.